Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add FAQ for your HTML website, so let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're gonna do it, you'll get on this site called Lsite. Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they do is that I mentioned. Let's sign up for free. Let's add here email, password, or just sign up with Google and Facebook. And when you're gonna do it, you want to click login. So now when you have it, you want to write FAQ and you're gonna find it here. So when you see it, you can choose like Gaussian, categories, simple. Like I like this one here. That's cool. Or FAQ dropdown. This is good too. So let's get this. Then you get like all questions here. You can edit the questions. You can have like category icon here. You can see it here. Can I cancel my subscription? You just edit the questions and text and everything. Then you go layout and style and advanced custom CSS. Now just click save. Right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're just starting out, go with the light version. But if you got 5,000 or 50,000 views, I recommend going with the basic or pro plan. So now let's copy the code here. Let's add it to our HTML site. Let's click save. And let's click preview. Now, voila, you got it. And this is how you can add FAQ for HTML website. Thank you everybody very much for watching. If you have any questions, write down below in the comments. And if you'd like to know how you can implement it for your site and you don't know it, write to Lsite support. Goodbye.